There are a variety of resources that can be used on test day. This video will show how to use the English Glossary. During testing, this tool can be used to get the definition of certain pre-selected words in the answer portion of your Computer Adaptive Test, or CAT. The glossary will look like this once you have followed these next steps. You will notice that some words have a faint border around them. When you place your cursor over one of these words, they will be highlighted. This shows that this word can be selected to access the glossary. Once you select the word using your mouse or trackpad, the glossary box will appear with the definition of the word you selected. Remember, this is only available for words with a faint border around them. If you don't like where the glossary box is, you can use your device to drag it to a different part of the screen. To close the glossary and continue with your test, select the X in the upper right corner of the glossary box. Note that different devices may require different actions in order to make these selections. Thanks for watching!